Hi, I'm Shennen Bersani. I'm the author and illustrator of A Chew by Pollen Counts, but I'm also the illustrator of these 34 other children's picture books, which have sold over 3 million copies worldwide. So I've been an illustrator for a long time, and mostly I was working with colored pencils. Most of them were done with colored pencil. But earlier this year, I had eye surgery. Unfortunately, I was legally blind in one eye, so I wasn't able to draw the way I like. And another illustrator friend of mine suggested that I try Peerless watercolors. So I ordered some Peerless watercolors, and what do I get with my pack? I get this fabulous little thank you card, and on the back was a picture of the owners. We have Dalton, we have Cassie, his wife, and Seneca, their baby. And I said, oh my goodness, these guys are so cute. And then, in addition to that, they sent this, which is a little sample, a free sample of paint that you can give to one of your friends. So I've gotten a few of these because I've ordered many things, and I've given away to family and friends. I also like to give away these creativity jump starters because they're just way too cool, and I give these away to my family and friends too. So they have lots and lots of fabulous packs. The colors, here's my favorite. I have to show you my favorite. Here we go, all 80 colors. I absolutely love that. And I have all 80 colors here, swatched out so you can see them. So whether I'm using them to just have fun, to just relax and draw something fun, or whether I make these postcards that I like to send to my family and friends, and I use the Peerless watercolors with these, or if I'm doing portrait work, I just love Peerless, and I just wanted to tell everybody how much I love them. I packed them up, put them in here with my, I'll go in here, and they're easy, they're portable. I even have a bunch of their glass jars. And then I take them with me where I'm going. And I don't know, I just wanted to tell everybody how fabulous they are, because I've really enjoyed using them, and I think other people might enjoy them too. So thank you for taking a look, and I hope you check them out. Nicholson's Peerless watercolors, you'll find them online. Thanks.